MeghalayaPost.news.
Ukonrat ke sangma Myntri Rangbah ka sorkar jila harungkat ki he ophisar sorkar haga jila nadu chief secretary commissioner secretary urban affairs department lambat kiwi menta ka sngi kila lej ban Jurip ya jing pentrai ya jingtei bapher ya ka ba ka sorkar kalate haniu Shillong kate ka jing lej Jurip Myntri Rangbah lambat ki he ophisar ya jingtei haniu Shillong kalong ba ka sorkar ka kwa bantem bahadu katnu aya ka jing pentrai ya jingtei bapher haniu Shillong hakate ka jing lej Jurip ukonrat ke sangma ulayo ban lej Jurip ya ka news Secretariat Complex ka Unity Mall ka Sports Complex sa Sauli lambat kiwi jingtei bahe baka sorkar kalatei haniu Shillong hadian baladap ka jing Jurip ukonrat ki sangma ulaong baka News Secretariat Complex latei ka hagata ka dur ka babiang bat ka bay rungkat dur bat ki jingtei batmai hagani ka juk ka bamenta hakabau kmi lentiru baon sa pendam kat kum kapur balabu.
Please don't give me excuses. I want this finished in the month of February. I'm entering this. We are inaugurating in February. That's all I know. Unity Mall.
I took in those window.
Now Secretariat boundary ends here. See the real stuff. Yeah, that's what. We don't want to see we don't want to see drawings anymore. Get my map. Tax one. So you require at least one. Yes.
We'll go one floor up and then we'll go to R2. Yes. With our open line.
Sure. Garden and this is the main road. This is the place we earmarked for development. Now all of this literally is like a real place.
Here we are making 75 square. In the original plan that they have made, it is almost 135 square. So now we are reducing 135 to 70. That saves us a lot of space to accommodate more. But then the good thing is we
Your chamber, then this is the 45% one. This we are extending and making it to 60% one. This will be the cabinet. So right opposite the CMC will be the cabinet. And of course, CM thought, Minister thought I'm using your name to do what? Yes, absolutely. No, because Minister has already told us that they have cancelled the 150 crore project for anybody. They're not going to do it. So if they're not going to do that 150 crores, why should we give them 10 acres?
Yeah, even 5 acres is too much.
Too much.
We can give them 2 acres, no?
We don't need to give them anything because they're not going to give anything. They said they're going to give 30 crores.
और भी बच
They're going to give 20 crores or 30 crores max, they said. And then we have to add everything on our own. They will just chip in. So what's the use? 20-30 crores? Why this land value is 20-30 crores? Why should we give this to them?
This land value is much more than that.
Cancel it.
The
No
best
problem.
is
Our agreement was for 180 crore multi-purpose stadium for all these kind of things we're talking about. That's not happening. So there's no need to give them land, right?
so then so if you see that fenced one is that backside slot fenced by 2 sections of the beach wall.
Yeah.
That is the first of all.
MeghalayaPost.news.